A very small village. We are around 650 people here. Very calm and very, very small village and totally dedicated to agriculture. It's very quiet. You can sleep perfectly. You can park the car, just open the door. Here is very well located because it's 1 hour far from Barcelona, 1 hour from the sea. The mountains are also not far. My address, since I was born, is this house, yeah.
Really?
My father is, he was living here, so the address is here, but now he's living in the behind house. I have my family here, my parents are living next door. Always my address has been this house, yeah.
So this is great.
The original wall is rent earth. All the old walls in this village are made by rent earth.
Really?
Yeah.
Because it's kind of a trendy material
Because
now.
it's, in the oldest time was you are poor, you don't have money to pay the bricks. And also it was very nearby. I mean it's just constructed with local materials. I mean sand, gravel, from the fields. Here is the land. The land is made like this. Yeah.
And the squares are the place where the beams used to go?
Yes, because here was a floor.
Yeah.
Here was the window of my grandmother's room.
Oh.
So I born here. I lived here during 14 years. But the problem was the house was the heating. The rooms were cold. So we had another house behind. So my parents took the decision to move there. So during 20 years, this house was totally empty. And my father said, if you want to renew, I will give it to you. I said, okay, why not? Here we have the only thing that was not renewed. And now it's a dining room for the family. Here was a stable for the pigs and rabbits.
So maybe we are seeing where you all used to have family reunions, maybe?
Exactly. Som una família molt gran, llavors, clar, som 5 germans, tothom té fills i... Aquesta setmana el dia de Reis érem 30 persones aquí.
30 persones?
30 persones aquí sopant,
Wow.
sí, sí.
So did your family have animals in here?
Yeah.
What did they have?
Rabbits and pigs. Here we have the places where they had the animals. Estaven lligats,
Tied up?
estaven atades. Here was the place to put the food for the animals.
Okay, the manger, yeah.
So the animals you used to have were in here, were for family consumption, or you used to also sell them, or they were...
Normally half-half. I mean, normally one sure for the family, because it was very typical in these small villages to cut one pig in wintertime, and then you have food for all the year, and the rest to sell. A lot of houses here has still one has animals
Inside?
inside. This house was very dark in the very beginning. It was totally dark. It was a large corridor without a lot of rooms. So the purpose of the project was to open everything and give natural light. It's a house without doors, just the bathrooms and the rooms have doors, the others no. It's open space completely.
Again, that's for light flow?
Yeah, from south to the north.
So all these doors almost, were these doors?
Really?
Doors.
I mean, it was a long corridor from the balcony.
Yeah.
One room, another room, one bathroom, a big dining room, the kitchen, and then one room, another room.
It feels so different up here.
Totally different. Yeah. Just the original walls.
Yeah, but it feels really light.
Yeah.
I mean, really light.
Yeah.
So this room, it looks like you must have taken down even a ceiling or a wall, or this is...
Yeah. Here was the roof. I don't know how to say les golfes in English.
But the attic on top of it, there's like a traditional place where you used to keep things.
Okay.
But nothing, no rooms, nothing.
Wow. So this window is just incredible. I mean...
It's kind of heating system for winter, yeah.
Oh, really?
Because you can see this hole in order to have the sunlight kicking to the...
Oh, so you opened up a hole
Exactly.
outside.
Yeah.
But there was a wall here, and was anything taken
Here
out
was
of
the
here?
kitchen.
Where? Right
Here in the terrace.
Oh, outside was the kitchen.
So here is the kitchen door. Here was the kitchen, very big kitchen. From here, the wall there.
Yeah. So you decided it was more worth just opening it up, like getting rid of, because you lost space,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
What do you want? A hotel with 20 rooms or something easy to live and to have light? And so we decided to open spaces to eliminate square meters because it was too big.
It's really a decision to have quality space rather than
Exactly,
quantity,
exactly,
right?
exactly.
Yeah. Because before, if the kitchen was right here,
Yeah.
that would have blocked light.
Yeah, here was
wall.
totally. Yeah,
Right.
here.
Okay. So do you use this space? I mean, the outdoor space in here?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Because here is it's like a special climate because in February or now you can have a coffee here and you're hot. And we are at 10 degrees outside. So it's...
So now the kitchen,
The kitchen was here, and here we had I remember when I lived here 14 years, we had a table here. Here was the fireplace for the kitchen. Here was the original kitchen of the house.
but you covered it.
The idea was to keep like this, but the quality was not matching with the rest, so we...
And this is a continuation of
Yeah.
the whole wall. Yeah, it's.
So you can see it more here. It actually, oh, wow. It's just the color of the earth
Yeah.
around here.
This floor is super bold.
When I decided to show it, my father said, "You are crazy, what are you doing? This is not normal, blah, 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 what people will say."
It was something that was supposed to be covered in the past.
Totally, totally. And also the wooden beams were covered.
And now they are part of the place.
Yes, yes.
But it's so funny how the materials can become the artwork in a sense, right? And the furniture, and it becomes everything, the decoration.
Yeah,
I mean,
there are decorations. Now is something that is coming usual, but 5 years ago, no. So it was like, hey, what are you doing, crazy man?
and do you know what this is?
Yes, they are the marks of the space for the cables, for the light. Here was a room till here, and this was for the light.
All the electrical.
And here, from here to there was my bedroom. I was sleeping here, and here also is the mark of the cable for the light. Yeah, I slept here 14 years.
Where did you sleep? Really?
Here,
Where?
yeah, here was my bed. My bed, yes, here. Till here. Here was the corridor. And then this door was the big dining room. Here was the door of my bedroom. Here, this was the door of the bathroom. Here, my sister's bedroom. And here, my grandma.
So you kept the
Yeah, otherwise
hallway, I guess.
you cannot go there.
It feels a bit phantom though, right? Like almost like you're missing a void, sort of, of something.
It's almost like you are highlighting things from the past.
Yes, it's a connection from the past to the future.
So it seems that the space was way more compartmentalized before and dark and probably sealed. Every place was on its own. Now everything is like a system. Everything is like
Connected,
Connected.
opened. I mean, now this house now is heated by the sun.
in wintertime.
Because it's sunny. Now, no need, because we are 22, 23 degrees here, 22.
So it's what you want just with the sun.
And outside, do you know what I mean, I think we saw
10.
2-3 degrees even.
10 or 11, yeah.
I mean, it's cold. Yeah. So then in summer, do you lower that blind?
Yeah, otherwise it's not possible to survive here.
Yeah.
And also I have this for summer, because otherwise it's too hot. It's automatic with the wind and the sun. I mean, now it's not. I mean, it's stopped because I need the sun inside. But in summer, it's in the morning it starts opens and afternoon close. And also there is a wind detector when it's too windy.
If it's windy, it'll close by itself. There's detectors. Ah, okay. So in the summer, every day that goes.
In the morning, when the sun, there is a detector there. When the sun heats there, it's open itself. No need for the remote control, yeah. Here we have
Oh, you have kids.
I have a daughter,
A daughter.
6 years old.
Oh.
This is the access to the balcony.
This is nice. It's great how you can see straight through, all the way outside. You know, the continuous view. Actually, all the way. So here and there, you're always getting views across. And I guess if you're getting views, you're getting light.
It was totally dark. You imagine how much light you have. This, yeah, coming from this, but this is the north, so the light is there. If you don't open, you don't have.
And also the surface you're on top of now, you decided to use a material that allows the light to go through.
Also, yes, when it's now because it's afternoon, but when it's dark, you can see these marks from the light coming down.
Oh yeah, you see it now.
It's very nice, yeah.
Oh yeah. It's funny because you see the stairs now, and that is sort of the shape of the stairs, but it's not. But it doesn't go all the way up. Like there's no. You never. Whenever possible, you don't close anything.
Exactly. No, nothing.
Do you think about just empty space and that value in this? Because here, this is not. I mean, there's probably not.
No, this is not useful. I mean, this is just decoration. It's the entrance of the house. The house starts this door, so it's nothing. But how many rooms do you need in a house? My must idea was not to have corridors, to have open space. I don't like corridors. I hate when I go to a flat or a house and I start to find doors.
And why all the? Did you put those gaps into the wall then to get more light, or why all the gaps?
Exactly. This was a continuous wall. So in order to not have a corridor, the idea was to have a balcony.
So and then behind you is a terrace.
Yes, we opened this terrace, you can see, in order to give more light here, because it was more dark.
And that's the open sky?
Exactly. And also it's connected to the entrance. And when around 12 p.m. or 1 p.m., the light is coming here, going down and hitting to the other glass and makes like a view with the sun. It's very nice.
Oh yeah. It's a V. It's quite magic.
Yeah.
And here is the heating system of the house.
It's like a heat pump?
Yes. Now because it's not working because of the sun. One bathroom here, and so the bathrooms are both connected to the fresh air. Here is one bathroom. You can take a shower and you can see the old wall, the rain.
Oh yeah. What is that? That's the light well.
This is the entrance. This goes directly to the entrance. So at night you can see the light coming. Wow. You feel the atmosphere of the place, yeah.
Yeah. Always connected. Almost every room, right, has some.
And here we have the main bedroom.
You kept just a small bit, but you kept something.
All the rooms in this house has a little piece with different design of the old wall.
Yeah, and the bricks are different. Like that one even has an interesting brick in the corner.
This was covered, so doesn't mind if they put this or.
But you uncover it and it's beautiful. It wasn't appreciated before, but.
No, it was totally covered.
Yeah, you see the light playing on all the walls, on those as well now, right?
Yeah. And also the lights are, we don't have direct lights in this big space. Also the lights are.
So under the steps you decided to put some cabinets too?
Yeah. This is storage.
Oh wow, you really fit a lot under there.
Everything is completely hidden from the direct view. Yeah, and also here you have the internet connections and the lights and everything. So, and also the only cabinets furniture we have is connected with the stairs, and also the wood is the same, and also it's a sofa. I mean, if you are a lot of people, you can put the television away and you can sit there. You can walk also. It's the same. It's connected from here. you can walk through here. So it's not that.
It's as if you gave value to the idea of empty space. right? That this is sort of empty space. It's
Yeah.
not used space, all that above us,
Empty.
but it has value.
Yeah, but not everybody can do it.
Yeah.
You need the space to do it.
But you also had the foresight to say, well, there's value in this sort of abandoned part of your home.
It's a different value.
Yeah, yeah. Well, because before it was dark, right? You said it was
Totally
dark.
dark,
Yeah. I mean, now it's just one of the lightest homes I've seen. Yeah.